Hello friends, today I want to talk about what to do if your character has an animation. You're trying to adjust it somehow, but the character keeps returning to the original position. This is likely due to the fact that the curves on your character are in a log stage. Maybe you just accidentally hit a hotkey. How to fix this? Fixing it is very easy. You just highlight the curves of your character in the graph editor and press the hotkey J. From this moment, you can add any poses at your discretion and continue working with your character. If you, for instance, want to revert your character's curves to log state, just for someone to next, who will open your scene, didn't add animation accidentally or somehow didn't fix your animation. You just need to select the curves again and press the H key. And now, as you can see, even if I change the character's position, it still doesn't let me set new keys. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and write in the comments about the issues that bother you at work. We'll discuss them together and figure things out. Bye everyone.